Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see the gaming performance of Wuthering Waves on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now in today's video I will play Wuthering Waves on all the graphics with the maximum frame rate supported. Now as you can see, the battery is currently at 65% and the battery temperature is at 31.8 degrees Celsius. Now the Samsung Galaxy A26 supports Wuthering Waves on ultra performance graphics with high FPS, and it supports performance graphics on high FPS, and it supports balanced graphics with high FPS, and it supports quality, which is the highest graphics on high FPS. Now first of all, I will play Wuthering Waves on ultra performance graphics with high FPS. Now the gaming performance of Wuthering Waves on ultra performance graphics with high FPS is pretty good. I did face some lag and some FPS drop while playing this game, and the temperature of the smartphone is normal. Now let's increase the graphics to performance and the FPS to high. Now the gaming performance of Wuthering Waves on performance graphics with high FPS is pretty good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some FPS drops while playing the game. Now let's increase the graphics to balanced and the FPS to high. Now the gaming performance of Wuthering Waves on balanced graphics with high FPS is pretty good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is normal. Now let's increase the graphics to the highest settings, which is quality, and the FPS to high. Now, as you can see, I'm facing some FPS drops. Now, the gaming performance of Wuthering Waves on the highest graphics with high FPS is pretty good. I did face some lag and some FPS drops while playing the game. Now, I will start screen recording while playing the game in the highest graphics settings with the highest FPS. Now, as you can see, the game is not running so smoothly. I'm facing some FPS drops. Now, as you can see, the gaming performance of Wuthering Waves on the highest graphics settings with high FPS is good, but I have faced some FPS drops while playing the game, and the game was lagging a little bit. And I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game in the highest settings. And this is the gaming performance of Wuthering Waves on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.